Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my empties. This video was requested, so I'm finally just sitting down now to film it. I do have a bag here collected with some stuff. It's in a save-on bag. I was going to put it in a cuter bag, but then I thought I might as well just show you guys the actual bag I keep my empties in. And that's this one. Super ugly, but that's literally where I put all of my empties. I constantly just throw out everything when I use it up, and I didn't really remember to put all of my empties in this bag. One specific product I did want to mention that I ended up throwing out was a jar of my Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I've gone through about 2 or 3 of those jars now. I love that cream so much, and I definitely will be repurchasing it in the future, but I do have some moisturizers to use up before I go ahead and do that. Before we hop on into the bag of empties, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you like empties videos and you want to see more. And if you'd like to know all the products that I've used up, then please keep watching. Also, I will be letting you guys know if I'm going to be repurchasing the products or not. So let's get into it. Okay, first, Garnier Micellar water. This one is just the normal and sensitive skin one. I've repurchased this many times and I already have a new bottle of it because I ran out of this and I basically can't live without it. It's so good. I hardly use makeup wipes anymore. I still will because makeup wipes are just easier, but this stuff is so good. I love it. Again, I've gone through so many bottles of this, but I only managed to keep one. Yeah, definitely will be a repurchase. This is so cheap too. It's only about $9 and you get so much in it. Next thing is this Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner. This one is the OGX brand. I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I usually don't repurchase drugstore brand shampoos and conditioners. I have found a new hair care line that I'm obsessed with. I think I'm going to do a whole video on it because I'm literally in love with this whole hair care line, and that one is drugstore. It's so good. So okay, this one I absolutely hate it. I know that sounds rude, but I really do. This is the Pro-Voke Touch of Silver Brightening Shampoo. And I got a purple shampoo because I put all of this blonde in my hair. I am a brunette, obviously, but I did put a lot of blonde in my hair and I want to keep it blonde. So I went ahead and bought this one because it was really cheap at the drugstore and I needed a purple shampoo. I felt like this destroyed my hair. This just completely stripped my color away, and I know it was this because this is the only thing I changed in my hair care routine. Since I changed to this new hair care line that I love, it completely restored my hair after this one destroyed it, so I don't recommend this at all. I'm really sorry if you like it, but it did not work with my hair, so I will not be repurchasing this. Also, if you want to know these makeup details, I posted it on my Instagram. I know it's really in your face, this makeup. I need a makeup pic for Instagram. Okay, this, I'm going to let you guys guess if I'm going to repurchase this again. Yes, this is basically my all-time favorite foundation, especially from the drugstore. It's so good. I discovered this one day when it was on sale. It was only maybe $6, so I bought it and I fell in love with it. This gives your skin a beautiful finish. I've gone through way more than just 4 of these, but I did manage to save 4 to show you guys. I probably have went through about 20 of these. I'm not even kidding. These are so good. And the shades I use are 205 and 115. They're still not my exact shades. I really should branch out and try the other ones, but yeah, I will be buying more of these. I actually already have another one right here. Constantly buying those. Other foundation I'm constantly buying is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation. I've gone through probably more than 20 of these because I discovered this foundation before I discovered the Covergirl one. But I only have one in this bag to show you. I tried out the shade 122 and it's so much better. I tried the shade which is 120, not exactly my color, so I tried 125, too dark. So I was really excited that they made this one. This one is a newer shade. It's not brand new. They came out with this shade a while ago, but I was excited when there was a 122 made. Next, I've gone through quite a bit of concealers because everyone needs concealer in their life. So the first one I went through was this Maybelline Dream-Lumi concealer. This is a brightening concealer. I probably won't buy this again. Not that it's a bad product, but it doesn't give me basically any coverage, just a little bit of highlighting. And I just find that I can buy a fuller coverage concealer. It'll still give me a highlight effect. I use a lighter shade, so I feel like this I don't really need, so I probably won't buy this one again. This one I will buy again, and I actually have. I've gone through probably 5 or 6 of these. These are the Revlon Colourstay concealers. This is my favorite concealer I've ever tried from the drugstore. It's really, really good. Full coverage and I just love it. So definitely will be buying this again. Next is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I will be buying this again. I really like it too. It's not my favorite from the drugstore, but it is pretty good. I've tried their foundation too, and I'm not the hugest fan of it. It really dries out my skin, but their concealer on the other hand does not, and I really like this. Concealer I have is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one is their Naturally Radiant concealer, and they did come out with a new one, which is their Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer, and I'm obsessed with that one. It's completely full coverage, super coverage like they say. This one is a lot more on the dewy side, and I still like it, especially for the summertime, but the super coverage one, I'm wearing it right now. I'm just so obsessed with it, so that's the one I'm on right now, but I definitely will be repurchasing. Okay, that flew across the room. I don't want to pick it up. I'm definitely going to repurchase that again, probably closer to the summertime. Oh, there's another foundation in here. This is a foundation stick. It's the NYX Mineral Foundation Stick. If you saw the video where me and my sister were testing Pinterest hacks, you'll know why this is gone. It was basically already almost gone anyways. That video just made us use it all up. But I'm not sure if I'll be repurchasing this. Probably not. I'm not the hugest fan of stick foundations. And again, I haven't tried a lot, but this one was still good. I used it all up because I did like it, but I don't know if I will repurchase it again. Next I have two mascaras, one being the Pretty Vulgar Feathers mascara. This mascara is so good. Probably stuck because it's really old now. It has this curve wand and these kind of fluffy bristles, and they just separate your lashes so nicely. And I love this mascara. The only thing I hate is this little birdie. Even though it's really pretty packaging. It stabs me every time, and it's really painful. It has a little beak on it that's really painful, and the tail is, so without question every time I would hurt myself using this mascara, but it is really good. I'm not sure if I'll repurchase it. Maybe if they started selling on Sephora, I would. Really easy for me to shop on Sephora because I'm in Canada. Duties and taxes are so annoying, especially when you buy makeup. You have to basically spend a fortune to get a mascara. Say this is a $10 mascara, I don't know how much it is. If I purchased it from the States, it would probably end up being $50 by the time it got to me. Next one I have here is the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I love this mascara too. It makes your lashes so long and fluffy. I think what they were going for maybe was a dupe of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know. I think they're both pretty good, but their one looks exactly like the Too Faced one. It's kind of like an hourglass shape. The bristles are pretty fluffy too, and I really like it. It makes my lashes so full. I accidentally did get the waterproof one though, and this is waterproof. It's so annoying to take off. It hurts my lashes when I try and take it off because I don't like waterproof mascara at all. I would rather cry off my mascara than wear waterproof mascara because it is a nightmare. But I probably will repurchase this just in the regular non-waterproof kind instead. Next thing I have is a NYX eyeliner. So this one is in the shade white, and it's just the white eyeliner. I'm out of this. I love it. I will repurchase it because it just gives your lower lash line a really nice pop. And I like this one because it's thinner. I didn't know that they actually had this one. I actually stole this one from my sister. I do have their jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk, so that's what I would use. But when I had this, it was so much easier to use because it's thinner. Obviously, the jumbo eye pencil is jumbo, so sometimes it smudges down onto your lower lashes or onto your face, and this one is just a lot more precise and nice to work with. Next I have an eyebrow pencil. This one is from Pretty Vulgar. This is their Quick Wit eyebrow pencil, and I'm out of this. I absolutely love this eyebrow pencil. I really love Pretty Vulgar makeup. I do really want to repurchase this, but probably won't. I really hope they sell on Sephora. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, I think that they do. I remember seeing one of their palettes at Sephora. Oh, I think they do. Okay, I'm gonna repurchase this. I can't believe I forgot that. Alrighty, next I have a Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I've repurchased this multiple times. I'm obsessed with it. It just makes your lips so much more plump. So when I want them that way, then I just pop this on. When I don't, then I don't use it. But I love it, and yeah, I will definitely be repurchasing more of these because these actually work. They do sting, but they work. Next I have a MAC lipstick. This one is in the shade Creme de Nude. To be honest, I'll probably actually scrape this out and use the rest. And I will be repurchasing more of these. This is probably my 6th one I've repurchased. This is my favorite kind of pinky nude by them. It's really nude and kind of has a sheen finish and I love it. Alright, last couple products. I have a tanning oil here. This one is from Josie Maran and it is her Argan Liquid Gold Self Tanning Oil. This is so good. I will definitely be repurchasing this, but I do have a lot of tanners to go through right now. This oil is just so hydrating and it gives your skin such a natural looking glow. I love it. And this tanner also comes in different scents. It doesn't smell like a normal gross self tanner smell. This one actually smells good. I have the apricot one, I believe, and then there's a few other scents too. And then the last thing that I'm out of is my Lange Hair Rival Heat Shield. So this is a heat protectant spray. I absolutely fell in love with this. It's really, really good. I'm not sure if I'll repurchase it though, because I really like my Tresemme one that I have too, and it's only $4 at the drugstore. I'll probably just keep repurchasing that one, to be honest, but this one is really good and I liked my time with it. Yeah, that is all of my empties. Really sorry that I didn't have a bunch to show. I hope that that was enough. I'm not really sure how long this video will be, but regardless, I really hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. If you want to see more of these, then definitely let me know and I will remember to save my empties once I use them up. And please feel free to leave me any video suggestions that you would like to see from me. Also be sure to subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!